Here we are with another episode of Old School, where I'm using the said slide projector with said remote control. There we go. So this was shot over at Villa d'Este in Italy at the Concours. And so this was shot at the resort, Villa d'Este. I've been blessed where I've judged for a number of years at Villa d'Este. And so BMW has been the main sponsor there for quite some time. And so this was like 87, if I remember, 87, 88, 86 was when these things were being cranked out. It could have used probably 50 more horsepower. That's what I think has probably held it back from really taking off in the collector car marketplace. Chassis was rigid, nice and nimble, and then you could drive around with the doors down. I'm assuming maybe there's a picture with the doors down. Is there a picture here with the doors? Okay, I'm getting, I'm getting the keep going, dude. So here we are at Villa d'Este. Fantastic place, great car show. Should be on your bucket list if you've never been. Typically at the end of May, you get weather like this. And look at the backdrop. It's just fantastic. Bingo, there we are with the doors down. Just a cute, fun thing, 0 to 60, if I'm remembering correctly, maybe high 7s, 8 seconds. Something like that. But again, what I really appreciated about it was the steering was nice and delicate, relatively rapid, good gearbox. There was enough poke where it was fun, where you'd have to be doing something really stupid to get into serious trouble with this thing. But a good little sports car, maybe slightly heavy for the amount of power. Again, you bump it another 50 horsepower, it really would have been something. So here we are, here we are looking at a Mercedes SL55. So I see we're doing with a Roadster theme here. And, I'm getting a point in the nod. Yeah. So anyhow, this was, I'll be curious to see where they go with these slides. And so this was SL55, 2003, fantastic car. These mothers are a bargain. If you want a great car for not much cash, an SL55, 2003, 2008, great way to go. Supercharged V8. 493 horsepower, if I'm remembering correctly. I like this car so much, I ended up buying one of these. And when they're now at the price that they are today, which is you can get a mint one of these, 30 grand or less. Just make sure it's properly serviced. It's got service records, books, and all that type of stuff. I had mine for 18 months or so. Absolutely adored it. The top was hardly ever up. Comfortable, easy to drive, fast, made a good noise, great grunt. Regularly serviced. They can be a little pricey if something major goes wrong, but if you treat it right, it'll treat you right. I would probably say, if I'm remembering correctly, 2006 and on is what you really wanted to get. I had a 2004 with around 30,000 miles when I bought it. And I think I paid $21,000 for it. I was like the second or third owner. It was a local car, basically perfect condition. And so same car today, probably 26. Mine was black on black. But this was, so this was shot, press introduction. They gave me the car for a week. This appeared in Sports Car International and some other magazines. Great car. Let's see where we go with this.